So welcome back guys. My name is Amran and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign we go about looking at how we can use internet using the mobile data even on flight mode. So please do understand that the mobile data, even if it's turned off, you can continue using internet by turning mobile radio on, and this can be done through a page like this. So we'll be doing this on a Redmi device and if time permits for different devices. So kind of on this page, when you turn the mobile radio power on and go ahead and enable data connection, and if you run a ping test, what it will show is a pass HTTP client test, and it shows pass. What it means is that data packets are now being received from the internet even if your mobile data has been turned off. Like you see here, the flight mode is on, and if I go ahead and I browse the net, this is my channel. In my channel, if I go ahead and see a different video, you will see that all of them will now start playing as if mobile data has not been turned off at all. So how does this happen? Now before we begin, I want to do this right from the scratch. I want to show you what kind of SIM card manager I have. So I'm basically using on my SIM tray 1 an Idea SIM. Now with that in mind, what I will now do is I will enable flight mode so that I don't have any internet coming from mobile data or Wi-Fi or anything like that. Presently I can't use net, so even if I go to like my channel, I try, you can see it shows offline. So okay, now let me begin with the steps that I need to take. So I will go ahead to the phone dialer pad, punch in this secret code *#* 4636 ##, and this brings to me a page like this. Since I'm using my SIM tray 1, I will be tapping phone information 1. Now I will be scrolling towards the bottom, so I will be just hiding that part because it shows my phone IMEI, which I don't want to reveal. So well, we are already on the page. Now in this particular page at the top, you would have had the option of phone index. Keep it selected to 0 if it's your primary SIM and select it to 1 if you are using your secondary SIM. Now based on the SIM that you have, also please select the proper network. If that's now done, the most important step here is selecting the radio power, or right, toggling it to on. So just make it on, it will automatically go to off and then again come back to on. So let it be steady on for some time. So let it be steady on for some time, and then again, more importantly, head towards mode and enable the data connection. It's quite possible that it will not immediately get enabled. Quite possible that this takes time. So keep doing this a little few more times, and once you think that it's like on and data packets you can see are moving, then run a ping test. Keep doing until you get a HTTP client test pass. Once you get a client test pass, what it means is that even if your mobile does not have mobile data from the aeroplane mode at this point of time, if you go and you check, like you are back online. So that's the magic part of it. So you can go ahead and now play any of your videos, use net as if it's already there, and all this despite there being no mobile data. So that's how wonderful this is. Well, this is like for devices wherein the secret code works. But what about devices wherein the secret code doesn't work? Like in a device like Samsung, it doesn't really work like this. So how do you turn the mobile radio on? For this, what you need to do is head towards the Play Store, go and download an app which is called 4G LTE. Once you open that particular app, you will be presented with a page. Depending on the OS that your mobile uses, go ahead and tap that option. Scroll towards the bottom until you see mobile radio power. First, select the network properly. So for me here, like I'm using a Jio network, so I'm using LTE. And then turn the mobile radio on. If it goes to off, again let it come back to on. So once it's on, you can see that the packets have started moving. Otherwise, just go ahead and check whether here there's an option of enabling data connection. Go ahead and enable and you will see. So once you run the ping test and it shows pass, well, that's it. Now even if your mobile is on flight mode, it will you will get data from it. So actually I had mobile data on, so I've just again made this on flight mode just to prove my point, and running a ping test so that I get a pass message here. And now if I go ahead and run YouTube, even with the flight mode and no data being present and no Wi-Fi being there, you can see I will be able to run my YouTube channel and everything. So there you go, my channel, and it's back online. So great, everything works. So this is, guys, how you will be doing it on different devices. Today's tutorial was for Redmi, but I think you understand how you can use it. The Redmi trick would work for even OnePlus and stuff like that. The Samsung trick will work for any devices wherein you can't use the secret code. That includes Oppo perhaps. So go ahead and tell me whether you find this helpful. Tap the subscribe and the bell icon for notifications, and don't forget to share this with your friends. Until next time, it's me signing off. Ciao.